Hi everyone, welcome to Purposeful Crafts. Today we'll see how to make glass grapes under a minute. It's very simple and easy, even kids would love to do it. Here we are going to use green glass marbles to replicate real grapes. You just need 4 items to do this craft and it's mentioned in the description box below. Now let's quickly start making these grapes. Firstly, glue marbles one by one and hold tight to fix together. Here we are using green glue so it matches the color. Repeat the process until the grape shape is achieved. Now let's make stem for the grapes. For that, cut the coil using plier and bend as shown here. Now pour more glue at the center to hold the stem. Finally, clean the traces of the glue. Now glass grapes is ready to be used as a showpiece in a coffee table or an office desk.